Hello everyone, you are watching AWS and Machine Learning. Current topic for this lecture is data types and data transformations for machine learning. This is part 7 of this current topic. So if you haven't watched my previous 6 lectures in this current topic, which is data types and data transformations for machine learning, then please go through it. Although you could watch this lecture of its own. And we are going to talk about Cartesian's product transformation, and this is lecture number 27 given by myself, Shanaz Malik, for this series. So let's move on and see where we are. Just to recall, data types, are of numeric, categorical, and text, and I have been speaking about it now for quite a while. And let's talk about Cartesian product transformation. Understand it. So the Cartesian transformation, generates permutations of two or more text or categorical input variables. This transformation is used when an interaction between variables is suspected. Okay, just remember it. The Cartesian product transformation takes categorical variables or text as input and produces new features that capture the interaction between these input variables. Specifically, for each training example, it will create a combination of features and add them as a stand-alone feature. So what does this all mean? Let's quickly see an example. Okay, let's say our simplified input rows looks like as shown. I'm not going to give you a big data uh, you know data set. So just see this is one feature. So target 001, education, university dot degree, high school dot school, university dot degree. Okay, so this is one more feature, and job is technician, services, and admin. Okay, so basically, simplified stuff. So we have three features and we have three records here. Now if we specify that the Cartesian transformation is to be applied to the categorical variables education and job fields. So if you see that, okay, the resultant feature education underscore job. So if we combine now these two features under interaction, so we're trying to capture the interaction, will look like this. So target, okay, so this education underscore this job underscore interaction, and the new feature would look like something like this. So it will be university dot degree, so this comma will go and underscore will come. Okay, so and now you have this new feature. Okay, so you have a new feature by combining the two features. Okay, and this remains as it is. The Cartesian transformation is even more powerful when it comes to working on sequence of tokens, as is the case when one of its arguments is a text variable that is implicitly or explicitly split into tokens. Let's take an example and consider the task of classifying a book as being a textbook or not. We might think, that there is something about the book's title that can tell us it is a text, uh, is a textbook, and that certain words might occur more frequently in textbook titles, and we might also think that there is something about the book's binding that is predictive. That textbooks are more likely to be hardcover books. Okay, but it's really the combination of some words in the title and binding that is more predictive. Now, for a real world example, the following table shows the result of applying the Cartesian, processor to the input variables, binding and title. So, if you see textbook number one, textbook, this is textbook, not textbook, not textbook. So, title, economics, principles, problems, and policies, and binding, hardcover, Cartesian's product. Okay, so if you see. Cartesian's product of the title and binding. So what happens? So you take this economics and underscore hardcover, then you take principles underscore hardcover, then you take problems underscore hardcover, and so on. Okay. So if I hope this is simple. This is just show you some sweet examples to the point, not making it any complicated. Uh, Now, the following example shows you how to apply a Cartesian transformer to variable 1 and or var1 and var2. So simply write Cartesian and then in bracket var1 comma var2, and that's it. Nothing so difficult. I hope that all these lectures were useful for you, and if they were, then please subscribe if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next videos, and in the meanwhile, I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Remember, sharing is caring, and I would love to hear your comments. What I'm doing right, and what could be done more. If you can give me your feedback, what could be done more to improve the videos so that your and what kind of videos you would like to see in the field of data analytics and especially in data science. Okay, I'm happy to prepare them for all of you guys, and so that you get what you need. So I think it's time to say thank you and goodbye.